unprepared ship, where you know you're in for a long day because you go on board and they don't even know why you're there. So haven't had that communication amongst the team. They ask you what you want to see in the hope that they'll get away with stuff. There's no sort of defect list, so everything is apparently 100%, and then of course you start going around and you find problems, and then you feel like, what else are they hiding? I need to take a closer look. So as you said, really, that transparency and that honesty is really, really important, because it sets the tone for the inspection, in the sense that you want to, the surveyors or the inspector, or the auditor, really wants the ship to do well. But if the first things that they find are the opposite of that, then they know they've got to look very carefully and very closely at things. So, it might seem quite trivial, as you say, walking up to the ship, how you're met and so on. But actually, it really is important, because it sets the tone. And then when you go to speak to the master, and he's ready and he's prepared and he's got his list of defects, and he says, look, I'm really sorry, but this still isn't working, but we've put in a request for parts, and we're expecting the technician to arrive shortly, and so on. It gives you a sense of confidence that they've got these things in hand, that it's a well-managed, well-run, well-organized ship. And that really changes, how you can approach that vessel's inspection.